How to make a beat 2.0. Today you will be learning how to make a beat in Reason. We'll start off with a Kong in combination with the Beatmap. A new and serious fun way to make beats in Reason Propellerhead. Have fun. Bye. First things first, open Reason and log in with your credentials. Go to Instruments in the left upper corner and drag in a combinator in your rack. In that combinator, we'll drag in a Kong. This will be the source of our drums. You can choose a kit or import your own sounds. There are kits in this map, but there are also new kits you can find over here. If you're making your own kit, be sure to save them. You can go to the sequencer and draw in your beat like this with the drawing tool. Or you can record your beat with a keyboard, drum machine or drum sequencer like this. But the easiest way to start a drum is to use a new Beatmap. You can find it here. Drag it in just above the Kong so the routing happens automatically. Press the Run button here. Use the density knob to adjust the density of the used sample, kick, snare, hi-hat and percussion. Turning them up or down will result in more or less hits of that particular drum sample. Let's turn everything down and start from there. Turn the knobs up to something of your liking. Start simple. This area is the map. There are multiple maps and you can change the map here. They all work with a different algorithm. Choose a map you like and hear the difference. Use it to explore another feel for the drum. Drag this to explore the other areas. When you like the position on the map for one particular sample, you can lock the position with this knob. Click it and the groove will stay the same for that sample, even if you move over the map. For even more variation, you can use the mirror knobs. These knobs will give you even more groove, but don't overkill. It could sound messy fast. If you like where you arrived after exploring, set up your tent and send the notes to the track with this button. Check out the sequencer, all notes are now printed to there. Remember to like this video, subscribe and hit that bell button for more exploration and experimenting videos on how to make music. This was How to Make a Beat 2.0. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.